Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you about having a champion's mentality. Now here's the thing, if you want to live an extraordinary life, if you want to achieve your dreams, if you want to be successful in every area of life, you have to have a champion's mentality. And I'm going to tell you not only the benefits of having a champion's mentality, but also some of the things that you can do to actually have a champion's mentality. Now let's get right to it. Firstly, the benefits. If you think that you're average and you have an average mentality, then you're going to have an average lifestyle and you're just going to be an average human being. But if you want an extraordinary lifestyle, if you want to achieve success and crush your goals, then you need to think like a champion. You need to have a champion's mentality. Now, when you think like a champion and you have a champion's mentality, then what's going to happen is you're going to be more likely to actually take action like a champion. You're going to be more likely to do those things that champions do and achieve an extraordinary lifestyle. Now, with that being said, here are a few things that you can do to have a champion's mentality and live an extraordinary lifestyle, okay? First and foremost, you got to play to win, okay? If you're playing and you don't care about winning in life, then you're not going to win in life. So I'm not saying that you have to win at everything in life. I'm just saying that you have to win at what matters to you. Pick a few things that you care about in life and choose those things and absolutely crush your goals with regards to those things and play to win with those things. You have to seek the win with those things, okay? That's the first thing. Play to win, make sure that you're winning. Second thing, you have to work extremely hard. You have to work unbelievably hard. Here's the thing, your family members, your friends, everybody around you, they're all competitors. And that's only because we're all relative to each other. Meaning if I'm working this hard, but the next person's working this hard, then guess what? I'm not working hard enough and I'm losing. So you have to look at those around you, the people that you hang out with, the people that you talk to, the people that you see on the streets, the people that you don't even know, and you have to work harder than them. And if you can work harder than them, then that's the first step. Well, that's actually the second step in this video. But the second part of that, which is the third step in this video, is working smarter than everybody too. So instead of running in circles, you can run at the highest speed that you want, but if you're just running in circles, you're not going anywhere. You need to figure out how to work smart in addition to working hard. So it's running really fast in a straight line directly from one point to the other, from where you started to your destination. So you have to work smarter than everyone else, okay? So you really have to play to win, work hard, work smart, and you have to believe in yourself. That's the fourth thing. Believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, how do you expect everyone else to believe in yourself? So you really have to think that you can do it. And I'll tell you right now, you have to make the decision right now while watching this video and know that you can do it. You have to believe in yourself. Despite what, has happened in the past, maybe there's something in the past that has caused you to not believe in yourself. Despite that, you must believe in yourself. And then as you believe in yourself and you take action, you work hard, you work smart, you play to win, everyone else is going to believe in you too. And when you combine all of those factors together, guess what? You win. You have a successful life. The champion mentality allows you to achieve success at life. You have to think like a champion. It's one of the best things that you can do. Having a champion's mentality is literally the first step. Just thinking about a champion's mentality is the first step in actually achieving an extraordinary lifestyle and achieving success. And it's literally that simple. In this video, I've told you about a champion's mentality and the benefits of having a champion's mentality. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if it motivated you. Let me know what you think about the champion's mentality in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe to the channel for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.